So guys, today I'm going to tell you that so many beginners, like they always think that this language is really very difficult to learn. But I'm telling you, I have experienced this because I have learned this language by myself. So I can tell you how you can learn this language and how you can make this language easy for you. So guys, first thing first, don't compare yourself to anyone because the way you are going to learn, it's really very easy. This is a language, not a grammar. So do one thing, like first thing first, you just learn some basic structure and just some basic word. Of course you know that is why you are going to learn. So just try to speak every day whatever you do. So suppose I know 9 situation in present time. First situation, whatever I do every day I can explain. Second, possession, whatever I have I can tell. Third means compulsion, whatever I have to do. It could be forcefully, it could be my plan. So three situation. So fourth situation is, suppose my state, I'm going to talk about my state. So it is called state of being. Suppose right now I'm on the roof, so I'm happy now. So this is my state. So this is my fourth situation. So I can tell that yes, right now I'm on the roof, right now I'm on the roof and I'm happy now. So if you want to speak your state, so you can use this structure. If you want to tell whatever you do every day, you can use simple action. Whatever you have, you can use for this situation, like possession. And whatever you have to do, and it could be your plan, so you have situation like compulsion. Like fifth situation is whatever you doing right now. So for this you have one situation that is called action going on. Suppose I am talking to you, I am talking to you, I can use, definitely I can use because I know this structure. So whatever I am going right now, and in current situation whatever is going on, like subject which they are doing, so I can tell you that my brother is studying, my nephew is playing, I am talking to you. This is action going on situation. So you can use anytime, anywhere after learning this. So my sixth situation is action done. Suppose like I'm talking to you, and after talking to you, as soon as I'm going to finish my work, so after finishing my work, this situation becomes action done. Suppose right now I'm talking to, I'm using this like action going on situation. I'm talking, my mom is washing clothes, my brother is studying, and after their action done, so of course I can say that my brother has studied, my mom has washed clothes, and I have talked to you. So like whatever you are going to done, whatever you are going to like finish your work, so you can tell that okay, I have taken tea, I have washed my clothes, I have taken my breakfast. So for this situation you have action done. So guys, if you know situation, like there are 9 situations, so what is problem, you can use and speak every day. So by this way you are going to become fluent in English easy way. Don't like make yourself uncomfortable with this language. So 7 situation, like of course state of being. Again I'm going to talk about again state of being with time. Suppose I'm here, so of course I can use my simple state of being that I am on the roof, I am happy. And suppose like it has been 2 hours or maybe any time. So if I include any time, so of course I can use here state of being with time. So here for 1 hour. So for this you have this situation. For like singular you have has been, and for plural you have been. So for this situation of course you can tell that okay, I have been here for 1 hour, my mom has been there for half an hour, my sister has been in the kitchen for 1 hour. So that is like these are situation, and using this type of situation you can speak easy way. You don't need to learn grammar and so many things. And of course these are situation and structure, and these structure are spoken as per the situation. So still we have two left situation. I'm going to complete those situation as well. So now I'm going after state of being with time, I'm going to talk about possession with time. So suppose I have mobile, I have laptop, my brother has bike, my dad has a car. So they have. And if I talk about time, if I include any time, so of course I can say that my dad has had a car for 1 year, my mom has had a mobile for 2 years. So this is, I have had a mobile for 2 years. So we have two types of possession. Like simple, I have mobile, and if I include any time, so I have had a mobile for 2 years. So it was a possession with time. So now last situation is, it is called action going on with time. Suppose a simple action going on, if I talk about, so I am talking to you, my mom is cooking food, my father is taking tea. So this is simple action going on. And if I talk about with like time, with time, like state of, like action going on with time. Suppose I can say my dad has been taking tea for half an hour, and my mom has been cooking food for 1 hour, and I have been talking to you for 10 minutes. So this is last situation. So guys, end of the video I'm going to tell you, we have 9 situation, and just keep this situation in your mind, and no matter where you are, where you are going, just use this situation. Of course this situation you can see all around you, so just you have to use, just learn some basic words and just try to use this situation no matter where you are. This is a spoken style to learn this language. Otherwise you just make yourself uncomfortable with this language, seeing that okay, that person can speak but I can't speak fluently. So let it be, you are going to start this language. So just first you start this language with easy way. So of course you will be fluent in English. Like me, I am able to speak English by myself. If I can do, so you can definitely do. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will make so many video like this. These are situational video, and I must say that if you learn English by this way, nobody can stop you to become fluent in English. Thank you.